Greetings, esteemed clients, dear subscribers. This is Ison company with you. In this video, we will review the budget HD camera Ison AHD20F-PL. This is a 2 megapixel HD camera with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels in a dome design for indoor use. Please note it can only be installed indoors. It is not waterproof. Such cameras are part of the ready-made Ison Pro S surveillance systems. It is budget-friendly with the most basic resolution of 2 megapixels, yet quite high quality for its resolution. It features LED, the latest generation lighting. It has a good processor, a good sensor, so if you are looking for budget surveillance, but at the same time, for it to work well, this is the #1 choice. For indoor use, there is a 3-year warranty. People often ask about these cameras, or whether a dome camera can be mounted on a wall or only on the ceiling. Yes, it can be mounted both on the wall and the ceiling, thanks to the fact that this dome in the middle rotates left, right, up, down. You can install it wherever you want and direct it wherever you need based on the mounting principle. Ison dome cameras are absolutely no different from regular cylindrical ones. The delivery set always includes a box, packaging, and also mounting elements. The power supply is purchased separately. If you plan to buy a ready-made kit, consider the Ison Pro S model. These are ready-made models that include everything necessary for the operation of an HD camera and video surveillance. That is, it is essential. A video recorder, cable with connectors, power supplies, auto, and a hard drive. So it's a convenient set that you take out of the box, plug into the socket, and everything works. Such a camera is quite popular in stores, the offices, private homes, and entrances. That is, it has a very wide range of applications. Here, I repeat, 2 megapixels, a wide viewing angle of 120 degrees, thanks to a 2.8 millimeter lens. Technologies like DWDR, 3DNR, which are technologies that improve the quality of shooting in poor or incorrect lighting conditions. The DNR technology is a technology that improves shooting quality and reduces noise in night shooting conditions. All of this is included here. If you have any questions about this camera, feel free to ask our managers. Call the toll-free number 8800-543-55. You can purchase these cameras on the official website ison.com.ru. My direct mobile number is 8951-41281. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Join our groups on Vkontakte and Odnoklasniki so you don't miss a new video.